Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Welcome back to another The Real Keshia production video on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be talking about Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. It's been a primer that has been talked about a lot in right now. Summer, spring. I'm gonna jump right into it because I bought it about a couple of weeks ago. Before I went on a vacation because I wanted to, like, you know, see how it would hold up in the heat. So let's get into the product. So this is the product that I got. It is the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup. I paid $36 Canadian for this at Sephora. I got it on my VIB sale. And I'm a Rouge VIB Sephora member, so that means I get 20% off. So I got 20% off this product. Still worth the whole $36, I believe, because I really did enjoy it. But before I tell you guys all that, let's get into the specs of the product. It's Hydro Grip Primer, and what it does is it hydrates and grips your makeup in place all day for an all-day wear. I really like this product. I bought it about 2-3 weeks ago, and I have been wearing nothing except this product. Like, I haven't been wearing my other primers ever since I bought this product. I feel that it just keeps my makeup looking really nice all day long, fresh, hydrated. I look healthy, and I just really like how it makes my makeup look. So I just keep using it. I always grab it in my, you know, beauty bin. And yeah, so let me tell you guys what Milk actually says or claims that the grip primer does. And I'm just gonna pull the claim up right on the Sephora website. So it says that it's a hydrating makeup gripping primer formulated with hemp-derived cannabis seed extract and blue agave extract for all-day hydration and hold. See, I mean, that's what I'm talking about. I have actually been wearing this product for no longer than, I would say, 3 weeks, and this product literally keeps my makeup on all day. Like, I never really touch up my makeup, but like, I don't know, I find it really gross for me to dip my brushes into my products and back onto my face. That's like, you know, I've been out in the environment, it's polluted, it's disgusting. So I don't actually dip into my products again. I feel like that's a way of creating more acne on your skin. So I really try to stay away from touching up. I mean, if I have to redo my makeup, I'll just take it off and redo it, but I will never really go in and touch up my makeup because that's just not me. I will just make the time and redo my makeup. Prickly pear cactus, aloe extract, and aloe water hydrates, soothes, and calms the skin. So I feel like when I'm done my skincare and my sunscreen, and then I apply my Hydro Grip Primer, I really feel that there is like a tingly effect, and it's really like, honestly, like, you really do. I look forward to putting this on because it makes me complete. It makes my skincare like routine just complete and refreshed and ready for, like, okay, let's do the makeup. Yeah, it just feels really therapeutic, really calm. It's like natural, it's cruelty free. There's no parabens, there's no let's see what they say. There's sulfate free, paraben free, no formaldehydes, no mineral oils, no synthetic fragrances. This product is vegan, cruelty, and gluten free. So $36 for a primer, it's worth it, guys, so get it. It's also formulated with aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, and B vitamins to support skin for a healthy looking base and provide a glassy post yoga glass glow. Oops. So if you want like that post yoga glow, get this primer, guys. I'm wearing it right now, and you can see like my face just like looks, and I have powders on, like, you know, just looks very glowy, and it just like matches the natural glow of my skin. So I really, like I said, I'm enjoying this product. So yeah, if you guys are considering purchasing the Hydro Grip Primer, I highly suggest you do. $36 Canadian at Sephora. It's not a lot of money. You spend a lot more money on other primers that actually don't work. This one actually works. If you're looking for something to keep your makeup hydrated, for you not to retouch throughout the day, get this makeup product because you're gonna love it. You're gonna always feel like you're treating yourself to a really good spa day every time you do your makeup, even though you're not. But I mean, why wouldn't you want to feel that way? Like, we all want to feel that way. And it's such a good color. It just looks like look at that color and consistency. Like, it just looks really and natural and yummy. Like, I just love it. And like the texture, I'll show you. It's like a gel, and it just really, it's not sticky. It's not sticky at all. It's really nice. And look at it. You can't really see it, but it just gives your skin a really nice glow without it being sticky. Like, it just feels natural. Like, you know when you sunburned and you put aloe vera on your skin that's burnt, like, you know that like moisturizing nice feeling? It feels like that, except it actually penetrates into your skin. Like, it doesn't just stay on top. Like, it feels really good. So I really like this primer. Like, thumbs up for me from The Real Keshia. And I'm not gonna tell you guys no bullshit, because I don't be wasting money on products if they don't work. Like, I'll try them, and if they don't work, I'm sending that shit back to the company or whatever, and I'm getting my money back, because I only like to spend my money on products that work. So if ever you guys want me to do a product review on any of the products that I listed in my previous Sephora haul video, comment down below and I'll get you guys, I'll hook you guys up, you know, just subscribe to the family so I can, like, you know, keep motivated and keep posting content, even though I like to, but like, if no one's watching, like, I'm not gonna do it. So, you know, support a real bitch. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.